Hey guys, just want to give you guys a quick walkthrough on this 2016 BMW X1. So as you can see here from the exterior, it's got the chestnut brown metallic paint to it. Pretty rare color. Looks stunning in the sunlight, as you guys can see here. It's got a nice metallic flake in it, kind of like a pearlescent effect on it. It's got the bi-xenon headlights that you can see, auto leveling. They also have a cornering lamp to them, so when you turn the wheel to the left or the right, the headlights follow you and illuminate the road. It's got optional fog lamp upgrade. It's also got a 19-inch alloy wheel upgrade that you can see here. Super nice spoke. It's like a split 5 that looks really clean. Overall, I think the size of the vehicle is really nice. I've had a X3 and X5, and I really love this vehicle. It's a smaller SUV, but it's definitely got enough room for anything that you want to store. So on the rear here, I'll show you guys. It's got the power liftgate, which is really nice. It's also got the power liftgate button here. You can also lock it. It's got the custom X1 rubber mats here that you have, carpeted underneath. Obviously, got extra storage compartments here, here and here. You can fold down these seats here for additional storage. This is kind of a sunshade here, so if you want to it protects, like if you have groceries in the back or something like that, from getting direct sunlight. Obviously that's removable, but large enough area that you could put a decent amount of stuff back here for storage. Also, if you had like a dog or something like that, great for that as well. Again, power liftgate here. So it's a 4-door mid-size SUV. It's got a decent amount of storage, or it's got a decent amount of legroom though. I mean, I'm about 6 foot, and this is plenty fine. This seat's all the way back, and it's not it's not really hitting my knees. Yeah, like I said, power everything. It's got a Harmon Kardon stereo system here. It's also got puddle lights on it, which you can't see right now, but when you unlock the door, it illuminates the sides of the car for you. Right here on the passenger side, as you guys can kind of see, it's got a brown leather interior that matches to the exterior there. It's also got the darker wood trim to it. I believe it's the darker walnut trim. It's an upgraded interior package though. Additionally, like I said before, you can't really see it right now because it's kind of dark, but you can kind of see on the door here. But there's an ambient lighting kit that's it's that classic BMW amber. So it has a real nice real nice ambiance in the car at nighttime. It's one of my favorite features probably about the vehicle itself. This is an X-Drive, so it's got all-wheel drive all the time. It's got heated seats here, obviously, kind of power everything. It's got the full nav screen, so that's something that you don't always see, but this does have the technology package. A lot of times you'll see the ones that don't, that'll have the plastic on the inside of the nav screen there. This one, doesn't have that. It's got pretty much every single upgrade available, every package available. I got the key fob here. Everything's push button. I'll bring you guys around to the driver's side. So it's keyless entry, so you don't have to have the key to actually open it. You just walk up to it, and it's proximity sensor, so that when you get into the vehicle, when you walk up to the vehicle, it's proximity sensor. So if you've got the key in your pocket, then it'll just automatically unlock it. Additionally, if you want to lock the car, it'll allow you to do that just by touching the door handle. it's an awesome feature. So for women, when they have the key in their purse, they never have to take it out. But you got steering wheel controls here, so your cruise control. It's got the variable cruise control. It's also got, you know, the Bluetooth connections here for your phone, so it's hands-free device. I don't know if you guys can see it there. You can see it there a little bit. This has the heads-up display too that comes with the technology package, which is, you know, extremely nice. When you want to switch through radio stations there, you can kind of see that. Zoom in a little bit for you there. You can kind of see that, so you can switch through the radio stations on the display also, which is awesome. Leather's really nice. As I said before, heated seats. This is the touchpad nav, so allows you to scroll through. It's also got kind of home buttons here, so you can go to the nav, telephone. They're just quick touch buttons so that you can access it through the menu quickly. It's got a parking button here, so it's essentially a parking brake that's automatic. Standard, you know, automatic with the manual shifting on this as well. And then it's got some options here for changing the efficiency modes of the vehicle. So it has start stop that'll help to you know, save, be more fuel efficient with the car. So you can see as I change through the see if I can focus on that for you guys. I change through. You can go from the Eco Pro. Then you can go to the comfort setting, and then you can go to the sport setting. So it's adjustments with the efficiency of the vehicle and the suspension as well. So I generally keep it in either comfort or Eco Pro, but and then this is a little button right here to stop doing the start stop. So you can see kind of the ready off there in the tachometer, but. If you have it in the fuel efficient mode, then you have a setup where when you go to a stop at a stoplight, it'll actually shut the vehicle off and just have it run off of battery power while it's doing that in order to be more fuel efficient. It has auto wipers on there with the rain sensors, which is a really nice feature as well. It's got on the nav here, when you go to do your parking, it's got a lot of features on it for that, but it has, let's see if I can get it here. It's got the, it's got your standard backup cam here. You can also see here that it's got sensors around the vehicle, and get a close-up on it there, but you can see there this car has the auto park option on it as well, which is just awesome. So essentially, when you get to a parallel parking situation, you just turn that on, and then these sensors here you'll see light up, and they'll detect when there's a space in between cars that you can parallel park with, and it'll recognize that your car can fit into the spot, and then all you have to do is just put it into reverse. It'll automatically park the vehicle for you, which is a really nice feature. I know my wife has a hard time with parallel parking, and so, you know, it does it for you. So, you know, that's awesome. It does have the option for the satellite radio. It's got power folding mirrors, got the auto dimming mirrors, which is a really nice feature, especially with the reverse or with the rear view mirror, because you know, you don't have to, you know, do the old school like flip the rear view mirror, yeah, which is nice. So the other thing that's really great about this vehicle is the gas mileage on this. So I'll show you guys the motor. I'll show you guys the motor here, but it's a twin power twin power turbo 4-cylinder 2.8 liter 4-cylinder from BMW, which is really nice. Super clean car, but gets unbelievable gas mileage. It's definitely one of the things that I think is probably the biggest benefit of this vehicle as opposed to the X3 and the X5. This vehicle has 31 miles to the gallon on the highway, and then it has 24 miles to the gallon in the city, so a combined mileage of 28 miles per gallon, but 31 on the highway is just unbelievable. Yeah, so this, like I said, it has pretty much all of the package upgrades. It's got the cold weather package, got the driver assist package, it's got the premium package on it, and it's got the technology package as well. So it has the upgraded Harmon Kardon stereo in it, which is really nice. Yeah, so anyways, currently the car has 42,000 miles on it, and I got this for sale right now for $25,500. So if you guys see the ad, the contact information should be on there. Feel free to give me a call. Yeah, come and take a look at it. Oh, and the one other thing that I forgot to mention was this one has the full panoramic roof, which, gosh, that's got to be one of my other favorite things as well. Full panoramic roof in it, which is, you know, really nice for especially for people that ride in the back seat, because they can just see the entire sky the whole time that they drive. But yeah, so guys, it's a really nice car, super clean, absolutely needs nothing. So just give me a call if you're interested. Thanks so much for viewing this.